ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ श्रीमन्नारायणीयं दशका 8 प्रलयवर्णनं जगत्सृष्टिप्रकारवर्णनं च description of pralaya and the creation of the universe. Evam tavat prakrita prachayante brahme kalpe hyadime labda janma brahma bhuyastvattaye vapya vedan srishtim chakre Purvakalpopamanam. At the end of the Prakrita Pralaya, in the Brahma Kalpa, Brahma, getting the knowledge of Vedas from God Vishnu, again did the Srishti. At the end of the Prakrita or natural Pralaya, the primary creation or sarga takes place. In this, there is the manifestation of subtle elements. After this, Brahma comes into being and creates all living things. The creation of Brahma is called Visarga or secondary creation. The first verse of this Dashakam is constructed in the Shalini meter having 11 syllables in each of the 4 quarters. Evam prakrita prachayante tavat. Thus, indeed, at the end of the prakrita prakshaya or the natural pralaya, at the end of that, Adime Brahme Kalpehi, in the first Kalpa, known as the Brahma Kalpa, a Kalpa being a period of 1000 yugas. Labda Janma Brahma, Brahma who came into existence. Bhuyaha Tvattaha Eva Vedan Apya, getting the knowledge or the Vedas from you yourself again. Purva Kalpa Upamanam Srishtim Chakre, did the creation which was like the one in the earlier Kalpa. Soyam Chaturyuga Sahasramitanyahani Tavan Mitascha Rajanir Bahusho Ninaya Nidratya Twai Niliya Samam Swasrishtair Naimittika Pralayamahuratosya Ratrim. This second verse is couched in the Vasanta Tilaka meter having 14 syllables in each of the 4 quarters. Saha ayam, that Brahma, Chaturyuga Sahasra Mitani, consisting of 1000 Chaturyugas, Ahani days, Tavan Mitaha, of the same duration of Rajanihi cha, nights also, Bahushaha Ninaya, having spent many times, Asau Swasrishtaihi Samam, he along with his creation, Tvai Niliya, merging in you, Nidrati, sleeps. Ataha Asya Ratrim, therefore his night, Naimittika Pralayam Ahuhu, is said to be the Naimittika Pralaya. Nimittam means cause. As the sleep of Brahma is the cause of this Pralaya, it is called the Naimittika Pralaya. Brahma's day is said to be having 1000 Chaturyugas. Yugam is an age of the world. There are 4 yugas. They are the Krita or Satya, the Treta, the Dwapara and the Kali Yugas. अस्मादृशां पुनरहर्मुखकृत्यतुल्यां सृष्टिं करोत्यनुदिनं स भवत्प्रसादात् प्राग्ब्रह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुप्तप्रबोधनसमास्ति तदापि सृष्टिः. This verse is also constructed in the Vasanta Tilaka meter, having 14 syllables in each of the 4 quarters. Saha, that Brahmadevaha, Brahmadeva, Punaha Asmadrisham Aharmukha Kritya Tulyam, again, like the morning duties of people like us, Srishtim Anudinam Karoti, daily does the Srishti, Bhavat Prasadat, by your grace. Prak Brahma Kalpa Janusham, the people who were born in the earlier Brahma Kalpa, Parayusham cha, and for people who live forever, Srishtihi tu tada api supta prabodhana sama asti. Then, even though it is Srishti, it is like waking up from sleep for them. In the verse, there is a mention of the Parayu people, the people who have eternal life. The sage Markandeya is one such person. The Bhagavata Mahapuranam says in the 2nd verse of the 8th Adhyay of the 12th Skanda, Ahushchirayusham Rishim Mrikanda Tanayam Janaha Yak Kalpante Urvarito Yena Grastamidam Jagat, which means that Markandeya is a Chirayu or Chiranjivin who remains alive even when there is Pralaya. Markandeya and other eternal beings like him also merge in Brahma during the Naimittika Pralaya and come into existence again in every Kalpa. They have the memory of the past Kalpa intact and coming into existence at the beginning of each Kalpa is only like waking up from sleep for them. Panchashadabdamadhuna swavayordarupam ekam parardamativritya hi vartate sau tatrantyaratrijanitan katayami bhuman paschadinaavatarane cha bhavadvilasan. This verse says that the Srishtikarta Brahma has now crossed one pararda consisting of 50 years, which is half of his lifespan. The poet says that he will narrate the Leelas of God Vishnu which happened in the last night and the subsequent morning of Brahma. Asau Adhuna, that Brahmadeva now, Panchashat Abdam, 50 years, Swavayorda Rupam, his half lifespan, Ekam Parardam Ativritya, crossing one Pararda, Vartatehi, is existing indeed. Bhuman Tatra, O all-pervading Lord, there, Antya Ratri Janitan Paschat Dina Avatarane Cha. What happened in the last night and what happened in the beginning of the next day of Brahma? Bhavat Vilasan Kathayami. I am telling your beautiful Leelas. दिनावसाने सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलिल्ये जगन्ति च त्वज्जठरं समीयुस्तदेदमेकार्णवमास विश्वम्. This verse is composed in the Upendra Vajra meter, having 11 syllables in each quarter. Ata Saroja Yonihi, then the god Brahma. Dina Avasane Sushupti Kamaha, at the end of the day, desirous of sleeping. Twayi Sanni Lilye, he merged in you. Jaganti cha, the three worlds also. Tvajjataram samiyuhu, entered your abdomen. Tada idam vishwam, then this universe, ekarnavam asa, became one ocean. Tavaiva veshe panirajisheshe जलैकशेषे भुवने स्मशेषे आनन्दसान्द्रानुभवस्वरूपः स्वयोगनिद्रा परिमुद्रितात्मा. This beautiful verse says that when the whole world was full of water, Bhagavan Vishnu reclined on the Sheshanaga, the king of serpents, who is a form of Vishnu himself. At that time, the god was in a state of pure bliss, absorbed in Yoga Nidra. Bhuvane Jala Ekasheshe, when the world became full of water. Tava Eva Veshe, on your own form. Paniraji Sheshe, on Sheshanaga, the lord of the hooded serpents. Sheshesma, you reclined. Ananda Sandra Anubhava Swarupaha, in the form of intense bliss and consciousness. Swayoga Nidra Parimudrita Atma, being deeply absorbed in your Yoga Nidra. In this verse, the word Sheshe is used 3 times. In the expression Bhuvane Jala Ekasheshe, here Sheshe means when only water remained on earth. In the expression Paniraji Sheshe, the word Shesha is used in the sense of the Sheshanaga, the serpent Shesha. In the expression Sheshesma, the word Shesha means you sleep on the Sheshanaga. The poet was a great Sanskrit grammarian, and we will have ample scope to enjoy his scholarship throughout the poem. Kalakya Shaktim Pralayavasane Prabodhayetyadishata kiladau Tvaya prasuptam parisupta shakti Vrajena tatra kila jivadamna. This verse, formed in the Upendra Vajra meter, having 11 syllables in each quarter, says that Bhagavan Vishnu, in the beginning of the Pralaya, ordered the power called time to wake him up at the end of the pralaya and became immersed in Yoga Nidra. Parisupta Shakti Vrajena, by you, in whom the group of Shaktis had totally merged. Akhila Jiva Dhamna, by you, the abode of all Jivas. Kalakya Shaktim, the Shakti called time. Pralayavasane Prabodaya, wake me up at the end of Pralaya. Iti Adishata Tvaya, by you, after instructing thus. Tatra Adau, there in the beginning. Prasuptam Kila, Yoga Nidra was assumed, so it is said. Chaturyuganam cha sahasramevam tvayi prasupte punaradvitiye kalakya shakti pratama prabuddha prabodayatvam kila vishwanatha. This verse is constructed in the Upendra Vajra meter, having 11 syllables in each quarter. The verse says that Bhagavan resorted to Yoga Nidra for 1,000 Chatur Yugas. Again, towards the end of this period, the Kala Shakti woke up first and awakened the god, so it is said. Hey Vishwanatha, O the Lord of the universe, Advitiye Tvayi, when you who have no parallel, Chatur Yuganam Sahasram, for 1,000 Chatur Yugas. Evam Prasupte, in this manner, who were in Yoga Nidra. Punaha Kalakya Shaktihi, again the Kala Shakti. Pratama Prabuddha, who woke up first. Tvam Prabodayat Kila, woke you up, it is said. Vibudya Chatvam Jalagarbashayin Vilokya Lokan Akhilan Pralinan Teshvevat Suchmatmataya Nijantas Stiteshu Vishveshu Dadata Drishtim. This verse is constructed in the Upajati meter, having 11 syllables in each quarter. This verse says that Bhagavan, after waking up, cast his glance on the lokas which were merged in him. Jala Garbha Shayan, one who lay in the interior of the waters. Tvam Vibudyacha, you after waking up. Akhilan Lokan Pralinan Vilokya, seeing all the worlds merged in you. Suchmatmataya, in the subtle form. Nija Antastiteshu, which were inside you. Teshu Vishveshu Eva, on all those lokas themselves. Drishtim Dadata, cast your glance. Tatastwadiyadayinabhirantrat Udanchitam Kinchana Divya Padmam Nilina Nishesha Padarthamala Sanchepa Rupam Mukulayamanam. This verse is framed in the Upajati meter and has 11 syllables in each quarter. In this, it is said that a divine lotus of indescribable beauty emerged from the navel of Bhagavan Vishnu. Ayi tataha, O God, then, Twadiyat Nabi Randrat, from your navel, Nilina Nishesha Padarthamala Sanshepa Rupam Mukulayamanam, which was in the form of a bud and which was the subtle form of all the things which had merged in you. Kinchana Divya Padmam, one indescribable divine lotus, Udanchitam, emerged. Tadetadamboruha kudmalam te कलेवरातोय पते प्ररूढं बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः स्वदामभिर्ध्वान्तमलं न्यकृन्तत्. तत् एतत् अम्बोरुह कुड्मलं, that lotus bud, te kalevarat, from your body, toya pate prarudam, which had grown in the waters, bahihi niritam, and which had emerged, paritaha sfuradbihi swadamabihi, by its brilliance spreading all around, dvantam alam nyakrintat, completely removed all darkness. Sampullapatre nitaram vichitre tasmin bhavadvirya-dhrite saroje sapadmajanma vidira virasit swayam prabuddha kila vedarashihi. This verse, constructed in the Upajati meter, says that in that extremely beautiful lotus, supported by the strength of God Vishnu, the Brahma Padmajanma arose. He had all the knowledge of the Vedas. Sampulla Patre Nitaram Vichitre, in the lotus, which was extraordinarily beautiful, in which all the petals were fully bloomed. Tasmin Babadvirya-dhrite saroje, in that lotus supported by your strength, Saha Padmajanma Vidihi Avirasit, that Padmajanma, the lotus born Brahma, appeared. Swayam Prabuddha Akhila Veda Rashihi, to whom all the Vedas had revealed themselves on their own. The fifth shloka in the 8th adhyaya of the 3rd skanda of the Bhagavata Mahapuranam says, Talloka Padmam sa ueva Vishnuhu pravivishat sarva gunavabhasam tasmin swayam vedamayo vidhata swayambhuvam yam sma vadanti sobhut. This means, in that brilliant lotus, having all the worlds within, Bhagavan Vishnu himself entered. From that lotus appeared Brahma, who had the inherent knowledge of all the Vedas. This Brahma is glorified as Swayambhu by the devotees. Asmin paratmannanu padmakalpe tvamittam uttapita padmayonihi ananta bhuma mamarogarashim nirundivatalaya vasa Vishnu. Hey Paratman Vishnu, O the Supreme All-Pervading Vishnu. Hey Vatalaya Vasa, O the Lord of Guruvayur. Asmin Padma Kalpe Ittam. In this Padma Kalpa, in this manner, Uttapita Padma Yonihi, who created the Brahma. Ananta Bhuma Tvam Nanu, you are indeed having boundless glories. Mama Roga Rashim Nirundi, please control all my ailments and make me a happy person, O God.